Alright, so here's the group. We got Doug, Simon, Michael, Anthony, our new friend Matt, and Les up in front. We're heading south on Van Nuys. Our trek to Santa Barbara. Up ahead to the freeway, 101. Weather is cloudy, as you can see. Take a little while to get out of the city. Red light ahead.
We should ride on the street more often though on Saturday morning.
You what?
We should ride on the street more often.
Yeah, get used to bumps and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because we have like our endurance bikes.
Ride through nice parts of town. Find something different. Yeah.
This is one of the best places, I must say. You gotta, I'll wake you up and we'll ride here before we meet at the fountain. How's that?
Maybe we should sleep on the sidewalk in the forest.
I'm surprised you didn't get one of those like parachute things, the aero back, back ferry.
Let's say there is a nice swimming pool at the park over here, though. At the community center there. It's an outdoor pool, very well maintained. Yeah, but that's as much as I know that's nice around here.
Is that where you swim?
I used to, when I had to commute. Plates. Yeah, it's in between home and Simi Valley where I commuted to the office before.
Yeah.
So I would just stop there, swim, and then go home.
Were you getting any smoke at your place?
Yeah, Wednesday. But then after that, Thursday.
It got bad at our house too.
Yeah.
Was it okay yet? Thursday, Friday? Yeah, same.
Wednesday when I think it was really bad.
Yeah, I had to close all the windows.
And I went to Culver City for work on Wednesday, and
Yeah.
I could still smell it over there.
Way down there too? Shit. I'm just glad that they've made some really good progress on that containment.
On the what?
The containment of that fire by now.
Oh yeah, no, it seems like they're pretty much ready. I mean, the change in the weather helps for sure. It's cooled down a lot,
Yeah.
and it's more moisture in the air now, so
And the winds are not as blowing.
I think that was a huge factor.
Yeah. Rolling?
No.
No. Oh, car. Stopping. Stopping.